Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka company DRB barka Ashok Leyland kumshi benta bakla rakhi ya ka jingdam nyo phosan snam jongka. Kala hiar shapin Ursla East Khas District ban pinyar shu ya ka jingya jan ya day bat ki pait ba kala pri sakawi ka jaka ajing shakri ne ka service center Ashok Leyland LTD DRB. Ya ketika service center jongka Ashok Leyland hapin Ursla la play minha ka arpu arturik unailar da uba kijer jaktung utrai ka kharkhana ka Ashok Leyland motor service hai ka junior donang managing Rishi Agarwal ka DRB Umeridul Pegu regional manager Ashok Leyland uba Paul Lingdo director jongka DRB Witchell motor Shillong.
Ashok Leyland vehicles in Shillong as well as in Pynursla, and they've been in the market for about 13 years. About 4 years ago we came into partnership with them and we've opened and taken part in the servicing of Ashok Leyland vehicles.
GVW products in this market in 5 cubic meter box body, whereas the other products which are available, they are of 9-ton platform. The GVW, our product is 2 tons higher. So it is very common to understand that it is very easy to understand a 2-ton higher GVW product will give you much more higher reliability when you operate it. As we can see that you have increased the body, just doubled it. From 5 cbm you are making it 10 cbm. So you would require a stronger body. Entire system has to be strong, right from the engine, gearbox, clutch, propeller shaft and rear axle.